Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everybody. So today I'm gonna make my own organic fertilizer. It's you say it's gonna be yuck. It's a urine, guys. Urine here. So that's the urine from me. It's my urine. I'm gonna make a fertilizer of my own urine. So like you can use your own urine to fertilize your plants, especially if it's like doesn't grow fast. You wanna grow fast. So I'm gonna measure it. Like I'm gonna put a half of it. So of course you said it's gonna be yucky, no? But it's a good fertilizer. The best fertilizer is your own urine. So I'm gonna measure it half, and half of this tabo or cup. So I'm gonna measure it. So 1:10. The ratio is 1:10. 10 of this, half of the cup. So I have to measure it to put in there. So half of the cup, I'm making half of this. So I'm gonna make it 5 of full cups here. So you have to measure. Let's see if it's gonna be full. I think 5 of this, it's not gonna be full amount. Maganda ganito, ayan. Actually, I started already watering the plants. So it's 3. I started already watering the plants with this urine at I think 5 days ago, because some plants doesn't grow fast. 4. So it has to be 5. Because I double the amount. It's only half of this tabo. So I'm gonna put 5 of this. So the ratio is 1:10, guys. It's gonna close this first. Then I'm gonna water this to the plants. This pot has plants on it, so I'm trying to water it to grow faster. Sayang naman tong tubig, so again, I mix with butter already this thing, so our urine is the best fertilizer, guys. This one is half water, half urine. So always the recipe, guys, is 1:10. That's the ratio. Like 1 cup of your urine, it has to be 10 cups of water. That's the ratio for your urine. Because our urine is rich of nutrients and vitamins. That is really good for the plants. So that's the ratio, guys, of your own urine. So if you have like 1 liter of urine, you have to mix with 10 liters of water. That's how you do it. And then you can water your plants that doesn't grow fast, so it will help them to grow fast. That's what I'm doing this time. So urine is the best fertilizer because full of vitamins and nutrients that's the plant needed. You say it's gonna be yucky, but it's not. It's very helpful to your plants. I've been doing it for a few years already, and it's really good to the plants. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. Again, guys, so when you use your urine as a fertilizer, always measure it. 1 cup of urine, 10 cups of water. You have to mix it well. Then you can water the plants that doesn't grow faster. So if you want to make it sure that your plants get a full proper nutrients and vitamins to grow, use your urine. That's what I'm doing. But my zucchini here is huge, so I don't water the zucchini because they grow really well and they have big fruits. So I use only the urine fertilizer to all the plants that doesn't grow properly. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.